Welcome to the thumbnail mastering course where I'm gonna teach you how to create the best thumbnails on YouTube. And today we'll take a closer look at colors. Colors plays a very important role in creating thumbnails. Colors build emotions, contrast, and these psychological reactions. Here are some colors you should know about. Red evokes energy, passion, and intensivity. It can be associated with love, aggression, or danger. Blue symbolizes calms, relaxes, and creates a sense of harmony, associated with coolness, stability, and trust. Yellow sparks optimism, happiness, and creativity. Green symbolizes nature, renewal, and balance, evokes feelings of peace and hope. Every color means something, but of course you don't always have to follow what they say. When we talk about colors, there is always one more very important thing you have to know about, and it's contrasting wheel. Contrast refers to the difference between elements in a visual composition that makes them distinguishable from each other. Basically, colors on the opposite side of the wheel will contrast with each other, so remember about keeping proper balance in colors on your thumbnail. Let's take a look at this thumbnail. One of the reasons why it is so easy to understand and pay attention is perfect contrast between major elements. In this case is a brain, which is pink, and blue background. Or this thumbnail. It's very simple, but you can say about it a lot. Nice composition according to the rule of third. The most important thing placed on the left to make it easier to see for viewers, because we are wired to read things from left to right. Perfect contrast between black, red, and blue, and also red color build negative emotions and tells us a lot about video. The text scam automatically tell us that the video is going to be some very negative things about Steam. So viewers are automatically interested in this video because most people think that Steam is like just a good platform for everyone, but this video tells you something different, something else. So we are automatically interested and we want to click on this. Also, dot at the end build more serious vibe to the thumbnail, so it makes us feel even more to click on the thumbnail. And I think that will be all for colors. See you in the next episode.